Okay, what's up, y'all? So I wanted to do a quick video on working on my fourth prom dress. So I just recently started sewing like a year ago, and I've been doing pretty good. If y'all go to my page, y'all might see like 2 of them, but I got like 2 more that I'm working on, and that's a sneak peek of one that I have to finish. But real quick, y'all, I just want to talk about, like, to me, the hardest part of starting to design your own stuff is like the patterns and the measurements. Like, the sewing is the easy part to me, but I feel like I still need practice with taking my measurements. Like, even though I take good measurements, it's like when I put it on a paper, it's like, is that right? Is it too small? Like, I be second guessing my measurements. So I've noticed that it take me way longer to do the pattern, make sure I got the right measurements, make sure I got the right seam allowance, whether it's like a stretch material, a non-stretch material. I honestly don't like working with non-stretch materials for like dresses, because I'm a beginner, y'all, and I would be so mad if I do all that work and they can't fit it. Because I know I had made like some joggers out of a comforter, and it was like a denim comforter, y'all, but it was like no stretch, and I made them for myself. When I say I took my regular measurements, y'all, I went through hell, okay? Like, the pants didn't fit. I had to redo the waistband and just add a zipper. Like, I was so frustrated. It took me so long. So I really don't like to work with non-stretch fabrics right now. But I'm learning. I'm getting to it. I'm learning about the dots and the cuts and all that. But I ain't gonna make this long, y'all. But yeah, the hardest part to me about starting to become a fashion designer and like doing your own stuff is like the patterns. But look, when I get my sewing mannequin, it's on the way. I know I should have one by now, but when I get my sewing mannequin for short, when I get that mannequin, y'all, it's gonna be a wrap, because I'm gonna be draping everything, okay? So this is what I'm working on right now. She's small, and this pattern is like kind of confusing. I cannot wait until I'm good enough to like just make my own. But I've made like 6 dresses with this pattern. So we're gonna see y'all. But I'll be back with an update.